What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning JavaScript. My name is QDS Danny and you guys are watching my channel Croywood. Okay, so in the previous video we have seen how we're gonna declare our function, how we're gonna call our function, and how we're gonna pass. If you're looking here, that's our parameter, and how we're gonna pass arguments. So in this video we're gonna see the basic JavaScript, which I'm gonna put it here. We're gonna see the synthetic context. So if you guys haven't heard the expression with the functions, we have something called so with the functions we have something called synthetic context. Alright, so what is synthetic context? Was like there are three synthetic contexts that is associated with function. Then the function can exist. So there are three. The first one is the statement. The second one is expression. So the function can exist with expressions. And as a method definition. So the third one is going to be method definition. Alright, so far so what is statement and expression? So before statement and expressions, you guys already know how we declare our variables, how we're gonna assign our something. Say for example I have wood, for example, and how you guys gonna declare something. Say you guys assign 1 2 3 to wood. So this is by itself is expression. So it's called right-handed expression. So from right hand we assign this value to this one. So this one is like expression, like this guy here. Alright, so what is going to do with our function? Like now you're going to ask me what is statement. Now this is by itself. Like when you guys come here and says function, for example wood function, and you name it wood, for example, and you put some, this is by itself is a statement. So this is a statement in the function declaration. So that's that guy here, the first one. So there are three ways. So what is the expression then? Now I'm going to explain to you guys expression. So now we have assigned this right-handed expression. Now we assign this right-hand value to the left hand, which is wood. So now wood has got a value of 1 2 3. You guys can do something else called say you guys can do wood, and you guys can put say yes Danny, for example. You guys can say wood, for example. You guys can assign the bracket array. You guys can put different arrays here. You guys can put a 1 3 4. You can do that, but this is the expression as well. And you guys can but the most important ones, you guys can say do wood, and now you have a function wood. You can bring your function wood here from now this is a statement here. You guys can put a wood here function. So you guys can do your function wood. Now this guy here, the wood, it holds this function. So now I'm gonna put a different name, not the wood. So you can put X, for example, or you can put a Y, or you can put anything. You can put your name. So maybe we can put our name. Maybe we can say, for example, you can put Azad. Alright, so now this name Azad's got this function. So this is called expression. So as I said, it's synthetic context. There you guys can do the three ways. The first one is statement, second one is expression, and the third one is the method. So we come in here at the method, we gotta go with the classes. That's called method. So because in the classes you guys see this one as a method, you don't see this one as a function, even though you guys put a function. But because it's a class, you guys can say it's a member function, our method. So here you guys can do here Azad, and the Azad is equal to function wood. So now Azad is like expression, and just like exactly like this guys here. You can do your set here, you can do your array here, you can do your literal string here, you can do your integer, double float, whatever you guys want to do here. This is expression. And look at here, this is expression. Now this is not the only way you guys can put your function. You guys going to see throughout as a JavaScript, you guys going to see the different way as well. So you guys going to put parentheses here, and you guys going to put another parenthesis here, and inside you guys going to put your function. How we going to do that? And when we go to jQuery, and you guys going to know what I mean, so you guys can do this way as well. When you go jQuery, or you go in we're gonna go in different JavaScript libraries, say Vue.js, or we use Node.js, or npm, whatever you guys gonna use. And when we go soon, we're gonna start Vue.js as well. So because Vue.js and jQuery is a popular Java library, so if you guys interested, so we're gonna use this one. That's the reason we're showing you guys functions, because functions very important JavaScript. So you guys gonna see like this one as well, but this is also expression. This one exactly like that one on top. So you guys can put a function, and you guys can put whatever you guys want, and you don't have to name it. Sometimes you guys going to see without a name, like this one. So sometimes you guys going to see that whatever you guys going to put it here is going to be like that. So you guys can see like this way. And another one's very scary that you guys going to see, like say Azad, and you guys gonna put your bracket here, and whatever you guys gonna do, you guys gonna put your everything inside here. So you guys gonna do your function, for example, and you put your body of the function, and then you can put something like this here, and you can put something else here. So you can put like this, and it's very, very scary. When we get to the arrow function, I'm going to show you guys what this guy mean, but for the moment, for the time being, you guys need to familiarize yourself with this one, and you guys can do, say for example, function Azad, for example. So you guys can do this way as well. Sounds very, looks very scary and complicated, but it's not. And we're gonna go through one by one, and you guys gonna be in master in no time. So this is the expression, and that's a statement. Alright, so we're gonna put this one here inside this guy here. Alright, so now this you guys gonna see here is very convenient for JavaScript. You guys can, there are different parts of the function. So that's expression and that's function. And when we come to the classes, then I'm going to explain to you guys about the method definition as well. So the last one is we're gonna come here, and I'm gonna briefly, because we haven't get to the classes, but I'll tell you guys what is method definition. So you guys got a class, for example, wood. For example, you guys call a class, say you guys need to declare the first one upper. Say we're gonna go here again on method definition, and I'm gonna show you guys briefly. So before we're gonna go on the bindings. So for example, you guys have a class, and your class gonna be wood, for example, and make sure whenever you declare your class, you put uppercase. But that's today just want to show you, because I have shown you guys statement, and I have shown you guys the expression. So this is expression, guys, and the first one is that statement. And now we kind of come here, and we're going to see what's the method definition. Say you guys gonna have a class wood, and you guys kind of have a function Azad, for example. You guys gonna come exactly like that here. You guys declare that's your you guys declare and call your function. So you guys gonna put your function here. So we're gonna put this function here, and you guys gonna copy that function from here, and we're gonna put this class here. Now this function becomes a method. Now this would, so we have to change the name of the class. You guys can put XYZ. I'm gonna put a class Yazdani, for example. I'm just giving you guys example, and make sure you guys, whatever method, the method's lowercase and the class is uppercase. So that's how you guys do that. So now this function, which is outside, is a function. Is when it's outside the class, we call it function. When inside the class, we call it method. So this is a method now. Okay, so that's how it is called method definition. So that's how you guys going to see inside the class of Yazdani, and you guys going to see all your functions here. And this is the in our syntactic context. In we've seen that we have a three. The first one is statement, this guy here. The second one is expression, this guy here. And the third one, method definition. And this is the method definition, because you guys put inside the class. Now this is not a not a function in anything anymore, because this is a method. All right, so you can do this way. Our another way is that you guys can make it expression as well, because this is a statement. As I said to you guys, this is a statement. Now you guys, the easiest way, if you guys want to make, say for example, expression, you guys just put something at the front. So you guys can put XYZ, and you assign your function to this guys here. Now this becomes expression. So now you guys can do expression, and you guys can do whatever you guys want to do with this one. You guys can use it anywhere you guys like inside the class. So that's how you guys gonna do. That's it becomes expression, and now they are interconnected with each other. So now you guys seen this one, that the first you guys declared by self, and now here you guys put it, assign it to XYZ. So now it becomes a function expression assigned to an identifier. Now this one becomes an identifier. So keep in mind that you guys gonna see when you guys gonna see the classes, you guys gonna see the functions like that. And the other way is that you guys going to see like that too inside the class. So that's what the syntactic context inside the JavaScript. Where is this guy here? This one, syntactic context in JavaScript. The first one is a statement, expression, and method definition. So this is the statement, this is the expression, and there is the method definition. That's the method definition because that's inside the class. All right, so before, because class is a long way away now, because you guys haven't done the if else, you guys haven't done the control flow, you guys haven't done the for loop or while loop. This is the object oriented programming, but that's fine because you all want to learn JavaScript and you guys going to be experts in JavaScript, so it doesn't matter. But when we get to the object oriented JavaScript, we're going to go in depth about classes, what the classes is, and I'm gonna explain to you guys everything you need to know. You need to know to write your JavaScript with the classes, with the object-oriented programming. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.